Uh-huh. Just looking through these amendments, there was something about the appellate court system. Yes. hmm Now, a Bill of Rights, yeah, amendments 1 through 10. Yes. Freedom of speech or of the press, free exercise of the establishment of religion. Yes. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion. Or the prohibiting of the free exercise thereof. Yes. Now, there seems to be a law. Yes. That has been established. Yes. That Congress made a law that you could arrest people for the false accusation of crime. Yes. And then you could refuse to exonerate them. That would cause me to have the legal right to have custody of my sons. Right. Because of my wife's false accusation that I was in Sequim, Washington, and Jefferson County. Yeah. Now, as much as it's not important to you, yeah, it is important to me. So, amendment number 1, the prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Yes. Now, yesterday we were talking about persecution. Yeah. And the institutions of higher learning of Christianity. Yeah. Mhm. And it seemed that they don't actually have any liability for their personal belief systems in each and every college and university. Yeah. But I think they do. Now, when I have the legal right to apply for asylum for each and every nation, yes, that is not dependent upon my actual wealth, yes, it's proving persecution. Ouch. I think that Congress did actually make a law that does respect the establishment of religion, that is prohibiting the free exercise thereof. Yes. Now, this Congress of the United States that is asking themselves, well, what law did we make? Well, you made the law that you can issue court orders based upon the false accusation of domestic violence and child abuse. Where you don't have to have the jurisdiction to issue a protection order. Right. Because the jurisdiction was on Guam. And you made the law that you can issue a dissolution of marriage without having to protect the due process rights of the respondent. Yep. Well, you don't have to prove actual service before issuing it. Oh, and then you made the law that says that you can issue any dissolution of marriage you want. Yes. That has a contractual obligation of child support. Yes, parenting. And any and all rights of those that are named as litigants. See, Congress has been making laws that do respect the establishment, didn't you, Congress? Yeah. Now, these individual judges seem to think that at their discretion, yes, they can continue to enforce the laws that Congress has made, yes, respecting their individual establishment of religion known as Mormonism. Brent. And then they can continue to prohibit the free exercise thereof because Congress made the law. Now, when I get to suing, I will appeal the court decisions in my favor as the plaintiff. Yes, when I sue you. Yes, because my thought is we're going to have some perpetual lawsuits that will last forever. Now, let's see, I needed to appeal to the state Supreme Court. Yes. What if I dislike their judgment? Can I appeal to the Supreme Court of the United States? Yes. What if I dislike their judgment? Can I appeal to the United Nations? What if I dislike their judgment? What if I'm a refugee in every nation of the world and I decide to appeal the judgment of the United States Supreme Court to all constitutional courts in every nation that I'm in?